So this is exactly how I was able to fix my 8BitDo Ultimate software app not working. So basically what I had to do is to close the app firstly, and instead I had to go into the settings app on my phone. So I just went to my settings app here, as you can see. I scrolled down and I clicked on general. Then I clicked on storage right here, as you can see. And what you need to do now is to just simply wait for all of the apps in here on your phone to load. And once they have actually loaded, I'm going to show you what we need to do after that, because you can see there's going to be like a search bar right here or search icon. We need to search for that 8BitDo app to be able to find it on here basically, but we cannot do it before it's actually done. So now once it's done, I can now click on search here and then just search for 8BitDo here. So I'm just gonna search for 8BitDo and then click on the search icon. Maybe I have to actually close it and try once again. Sometimes we have to do that as well. So I'm just gonna search for it again. Let's search for just the Ultimate software. Yeah, that's how it's actually appearing. Sorry guys, Ultimate software here, as you can see. Then click on Offload app, and once again in here, click on Offload app. Then click on the Reinstall app button, and then just wait for your 8BitDo Ultimate software app to update. Now you can see when it says Offload app, it means that it's done updating now. And now try to go back, and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well. And there is one more thing you can try as well, and that is, by the way, to go back to your settings here. I'm just gonna show you. So I'm just gonna go back to this page here, this one right here. So make sure that your Bluetooth is also on. And the best thing you can do is to also connect your controller to your phone as well. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.